Hello everyone, I'm Miss Khin from the Eastlake Public Library. This is week 3 and the final week of Khin's Craft Corner this season. I will be back for the special holiday program in December. Now, since Thanksgiving is next week, let's make a turkey craft. The materials we're going to need are a piece of brown paper, some paper strips, red, orange, and yellow. If you have color feathers at home, use them instead. 2 objects, one big and one small, with a circle shape on the bottom, a pencil, a pair of scissors, a glue stick, and 2 small pieces of paper, one red and one orange, a black marker pen, and 2 clothespins. Trace the circles on the brown paper. Cut along the lines. You will get 2 circles, a head and a body for your turkey. Glue them together. Draw 2 eyes on the face with a black marker pen. On a small piece of red paper, draw a weather for your turkey. Cut the weather out. Draw a beak on the small piece of orange paper. Cut the beak out. Glue the wattle and the beak on the face. Now, make some accordion folds with the small paper strips. Fold it like this. Turn it over, fold on this side. Turn it over, fold it again. Fold the paper strip all the way to the end of the top. Unfold it. Fold with yellow and red paper strips. Accordion fold, and you will get yellow, orange, and red accordion colorful paper strips. Glue those paper strips on the back of the turkey body. Use the clothespins as the feet. If you're using the feathers, follow the steps above and then glue or tape your feathers on the body. You can just draw the feet like this here. Don't forget to write Happy Thanksgiving or Thank you Mom or just XOXO here. Our turkey craft is done. Gobble gobble. Don't forget to sign up for the Khin's Craft Corner special holiday program. I will show you how to make sourdough ornaments. If you like to order those fun shaped cookie cutters, Batman, a llama, gingerbread girl, and Superman. Those fun cookie cutters are made by the 3D printer at the Eastlake Public Library. Our cookie cutter bonanza program is going on, so check our program guide on our website and contact the Eastlake Public Library if you'd like to make a request for your fun shaped cookie cutters. See you in December. Happy Thanksgiving to you all.